Hello, I'm Nikki Carew at the Changemaker Group. Everything is telling us that the world of work is changing. Gone is the time when employees need a good reason to work from home, just for the odd day. Now you need a compelling reason for them to be in the office. This is not just about flexible working. Hybrid is about managing different working environments that you will find your team choose. Some of your team will be at home and communicating by Zoom or Teams, and some will still be gathering in the meeting room with a cup of tea in hand. The challenge is more complex than when we were all working remotely or all in the shared space. What do you have to do to lead this team so that everyone benefits from the sense of camaraderie, from impactful collaboration, and to produce great outcomes? Here's some points to consider. Ask yourself, is there any real compelling reason for everyone to be in the shared space, the office? And if so, when? For each of your team, what are their personal challenges? And so how do they want hybrid to work? How do you support and create the sense of belonging between people who choose not to travel daily to an office and those that do? Have you clear outcomes you need from the team to enable them to collaborate and achieve without the need to be seen to be in the office? And finally, and most importantly, are you modelling the behaviours of your team that they expect of you and that you want them to exhibit? We're helping our clients to create a new hybrid working culture, but there is no one size fits all. We've got tips and advice on our website on our series on hybrid work. The details follow.